Imagine turning your Pinterest account into a cash machine. Are you ready to learn how to make $10,000 a month? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Pinterest affiliate marketing and how you can potentially earn $10,000 a month. If you've ever scrolled through Pinterest and admired the beautiful pins, you might be surprised to learn that this platform can be a goldmine for affiliate marketers. In this video, we'll explore the strategies and techniques that can turn your Pinterest account into a lucrative income stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to keep great content coming your way. We'll cover everything from setting up your account for success to finding the right affiliate programs that resonate with your audience. You'll learn how to create eye-catching pins that drive traffic and conversions, as well as tips for optimizing your content to reach a wider audience. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video is designed to be engaging and informative, providing you with actionable insights. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of Pinterest and transform your passion into profit, stay tuned. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Before we get started, there is software that does so much of this process for you via AI. Please watch until the end to find out more. Step 1. Create a Pinterest business account. To kickstart your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey, the first step is to create a Pinterest business account. Begin by visiting Pinterest for Business and signing up for a free account. This type of account offers valuable features tailored for marketers, including analytics and advertising options that can significantly boost your visibility. Once you've signed up, it's essential to complete your profile. Upload a professional photo that represents your brand and write a compelling bio that clearly communicates what you offer. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so be sure to include relevant keywords that reflect your niche. Next, enable rich pins. These are a powerful tool that enhances your content visibility by providing more context about your pins. Rich pins automatically sync information from your website, making your pins more informative and engaging. This added detail can help attract more clicks and conversions, setting you up for success in your affiliate marketing efforts. With your business account ready, you're well on your way to leveraging Pinterest for profit. Step 2. Identify your niche and target audience. Now that you have your Pinterest business account set up, it's time to identify your niche and target audience. Start by researching popular niches that thrive on Pinterest, such as home decor, fashion, beauty, or health. Understanding these areas will help you find a niche that not only interests you, but also has the potential for profitability. Once you've selected a niche, it's crucial to define your target audience. Consider their interests, demographics, and pain points. Are they young professionals looking for fashion inspiration, or perhaps parents seeking home organization tips? Knowing your audience will guide your content creation and marketing strategies, ensuring you resonate with the right people. To further refine your niche, utilize Pinterest Trends. This tool allows you to explore trending topics within your chosen niche, giving you insights into what users are currently searching for. By aligning your content with these trends, you can increase your chances of engagement and conversions. With a clear understanding of your niche and audience, you're well equipped to create compelling content that drives traffic and sales. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. With your niche and target audience clearly defined, the next step is to join affiliate programs that can help you monetize your Pinterest efforts. Start by signing up for popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareSL. These platforms offer a wide range of products, making it easier to find items that resonate with your audience. When selecting products, focus on those that align with your niche. For instance, if you're in the home decor space, look for stylish furniture or decor items that your audience would love. Choosing relevant products not only enhances your credibility, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. It's also essential to understand the commission structure and payment methods of the affiliate programs you join. Different programs offer varying commission rates, payment thresholds, and methods, such as direct deposit or PayPal. Familiarizing yourself with these details will help you set realistic income expectations and plan your marketing strategies accordingly. By strategically selecting affiliate programs and products, you'll be well on your way to generating income through Pinterest affiliate marketing. Step 4. Create engaging pins. Now that you have your affiliate program set up, it's time to create engaging pins that capture attention and drive traffic. Start by designing eye-catching pins using tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. These platforms offer user-friendly templates and design elements that make it easy to create visually appealing graphics. When designing your pins, prioritize high-quality images that resonate with your audience. Use vibrant colors and clear fonts to ensure your pins stand out in the Pinterest feed. Alongside the visuals, include compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting. A well-crafted description can entice users to click through and learn more. Additionally, don't forget to add your affiliate links to the pins effectively. Ensure that the links are easily accessible and lead directly to the product pages. You can do this by linking the pin image or including the link in the description. By creating engaging pins that combine stunning visuals, persuasive descriptions, and strategic affiliate links, you'll increase your chances of driving traffic and generating sales through your Pinterest affiliate marketing efforts. Step 5. Optimize your Pinterest boards. With your engaging pins ready, the next step is to optimize your Pinterest boards for maximum visibility and user engagement. Start by organizing your pins into relevant boards that reflect your niche. This not only makes it easier for users to navigate your content, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your profile. In addition to organization, it's crucial to use keywords in your board titles and descriptions. This practice improves your board's search engine optimization, making it easier for potential followers to discover your content. Research popular keywords related to your niche and incorporate them naturally into your board descriptions. To keep your boards active and engaging, regularly update them with fresh content. This could include new pins, seasonal themes, or trending topics within your niche. Consistent updates signal to Pinterest's algorithm that your boards are active, which can help improve your visibility in search results. By optimizing your Pinterest boards with relevant organization, strategic keywords, and regular updates, you'll create a dynamic and appealing profile that attracts more followers and drives traffic to your affiliate links. Step 6. Promote your pins and track performance. Now that your pins and boards are optimized, it's time to promote your pins and track their performance. Start by sharing your pins on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. This cross-promotion can significantly increase your reach and attract new followers to your Pinterest account. Once your pins are live, utilize Pinterest analytics to monitor their performance and engagement. This powerful tool provides insights into which pins are driving traffic, how many impressions they receive, and the overall engagement rates. By analysing this data, you can identify trends and understand what resonates most with your audience. Based on the insights gathered from Pinterest analytics, adjust your strategy to improve results. If certain types of pins or topics perform better, consider creating more content in those areas. Experiment with different designs, descriptions, and posting times to see what yields the best engagement. By actively promoting your pins and leveraging analytics, you'll be able to refine your approach, maximize your reach, and ultimately increase your affiliate marketing success on Pinterest. Summary of key points. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to making $10,000 a month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. We began by creating a Pinterest business account, which sets the foundation for your marketing efforts. Next, we identified your niche and target audience, ensuring your content resonates with the right people. Joining affiliate programs allowed you to select products that align with your niche, while creating engaging pins helped capture attention and drive traffic. We also discussed the importance of optimizing your Pinterest boards for better visibility and user experience. Promoting your pins across other social media platforms and tracking performance through Pinterest analytics are crucial for refining your strategy and maximizing results. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like what you have learned here in this video. Check out the description below to learn more about a great platform that automates most of this process for you using AI. Remember, consistency and engagement are key to building a successful Pinterest presence. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe for more valuable content. We invite you to explore related videos on our channel or visit our website for additional resources. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your affiliate marketing goals on Pinterest. Thank you for watching.